Okay, welcome back. Then I have created my link. So, okay, I have created my link. Let me just write another thing beneath it. Then I can be separating it if I want. So that thing should be rotating. The UNL creative should be rotating, not just stagnant. Then I'll go back to my editing, my transition in and out. Then let's just check. Can you see? Can you see the out? Then you now be copying it. Copy again. Then move to other side. Move to the copy again. Move to the next side. Copy again. Move till you see to the end. Then let's check it out.
قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا.
Then I want to write another text beneath it. Text contact us for your design and video work. Then I can adjust its size a little bit, begin down here. Let me just place this one.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا.
Let me just give it transition also. I'll come to edit, then I'll give it transition. Okay, it has transition already. It has transition. Let me just give it like that.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت.
Then let me adjust it and place my number. Then let me copy this. Copy. Let me reduce the size. Then I will now expand. Then let me change this one to my number. Let me just 64. That's that about that.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا.
That's it about that. Then you now come back here to save it. Resolution, let me change this to 720. Then save. It is now saving.